Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 17. Solve the equation for x. We have this rational equation. Okay, so first step is i-factor out muna natin yung mga denominator. Yan. So for the first rational expression, we have x plus 2 over, so this is a quadratic trinomial. So we expect dalawang binomial factors. So by trial and error, isip tayo ng factors ng 5x squared. Let's try 5x and x since 5x times x is 5x squared. Then isip din tayo ng random factor ng negative 18. Let's try positive 3 and negative 6, right? Because 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Ngayon, para ma-check kung tama yung factored form natin, multiply natin tong 3 times x, 3x, at itong 5x times negative 6, that's negative 30x, right? So, kapag inad natin, itong 3x plus negative 30x, that's negative 27x. So, same siya sa middle term, right? So, ibig sabihin, tama na tong factored form natin. Next, ito namang second rational expression, x plus 1 over, again, quadratic trinomial. So, dalawang binomial factor lang siya. So, again, by trial and error, isip tayo ng factor muna ng 20x squared. So, let's try 4x and 5x, since 4x times 5x is 20x squared. And for the constant negative 15, isip tayo ng possible factors niya. Let's have negative 5 and positive 3. So, again, itetest natin, multiply natin tong negative 5 times 5x. That's negative 25x. And 4x times 3, that's 12x. Tapos pag inad nyo, negative 25x plus 12x is negative 13x, which is the same sa middle term, right? So, ibig sabihin, tama na tong factored form natin. Then last, we have x minus 2 over, so factored form uli nito, quadratic trinomial siya, is dalawang binomial factors. So, isip tayo ng factors ng 4x squared. Let's try 4x and x. Factors ng 30, let's try negative 5 and negative 6. So, check uli natin kung tama. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. 4x times negative 6 is negative 24x. Tapos pag inad natin, negative 5x plus negative 24x, that's negative 29x, right? Which is same na siya sa middle term. So, ito na yung correct factored form. Yan. So, pagka-factor natin is, hahanapin natin yung LCD ng mga denominators. Okay, so, to find the LCD, check nyo yung mga common or na-repeat na factor. So, sa 5x plus 3, yan, common siya dito sa first saka second rational expression. So, sulat natin siya as 5x plus 3. And then, pipili tayo or maglalagay tayo ng exponent sa kanya. Kung ano yung pinakamataas. Diba dito, to the first lang siya, tsaka dito to the first invisible exponent. So, walang mas malaki, para walang silang 1, so yun yung ilalagay nating exponent kay 5x plus 3. Next, may common pa ba? Ito yung x minus 6, common uli sa first saka sa third rational expression. Ganun din, hanapin nyo yung mas malaking exponent kaso pareho lang din silang nakari sa 1. So, yun yung gagamitin nating exponent sa x minus 6. Okay, and then meron pa bang common? Ito yung 4x minus 5, common din. So, sulat nyo siya sa factor. And then, pili yung mas mataas na exponent. Pareho lang din na 1 right? So, 1 yung ilalagay natin. So, diba na-consider na natin lahat ng factor? So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung ating LCD. Okay, 5x plus 3 times x minus 6 times 4x minus 5. Next step is, i-multiply natin both sides by this LCD. Okay? So, pag multiply natin both sides, bali itong LCD madidistribute siya dito sa tatlo, right? Tatlong rational expression. So, sa una, pag multiply natin ito by the LCD, ang makakancel natin is 5x plus 3 and x minus 6. So, ang matitira is x plus 2, 4x minus 5, and then times x plus 2. 4x minus 5 times x plus 2. Then, sa second rational expression times the LCD, makakancel naman natin si 5x plus 3 tsaka si 4x minus 5. So, ang matitira is x minus 6 times x plus 1. Next, sa third rational expression, multiply by the LCD, ang makakancel natin is si 4x minus 5 tsaka si x minus 6. So, ang matitira is 5x plus 3 times x minus 2. Yan. And then, i-foil natin, expand natin. Okay? So, 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times 2 is 8x. Then, negative 5 times x, negative 5x. And negative 5 times 2, negative 10. Plus, ito rin foil, x times x is x squared. X times 1 is x. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. And then, negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. And equal, dito naman sa right side, fold din natin, 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times negative 2, negative 10x. And then, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Okay, and then i-combine natin. So, sa left side muna tayo. Itong 4x squared plus x squared magiging 5x squared. Tapos yung mga x term, 8x minus 5x plus x minus 6. So, 8x minus 5x is 3x plus x 4x minus 6x, negative 2x. And then for the constant, negative 10 minus 6 is negative 16. Then equal sa right side naman, we have 5x squared. Tapos combine yung negative 10x plus 3x, that's negative 7x minus 6. So, notice, common yung 5x squared sa both side. Ibig sabihin, pwede natin yung makancel, ma-eliminate. So, ang matitira is negative 2x minus 16 equals negative 7x minus 6. Then, transpose ko si negative 7x sa kaliwa, transpose si negative 16 sa kanan, so magiging negative 2x plus 7x equals negative 6 plus 16. So, negative 2x plus 7x is positive 5x, and negative 6 plus 16 is positive 10. Then, to solve for x, divide both sides by 5. So, therefore, x is 10 divided by 5 or 2. So, the correct answer or the value of x is 2.